Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Angga Fernanda, and I'm from class management 23 SP and NPM 2341150. I Here I will present about definition, type, and element of taxation. Definition of tax. Tax can be defined as a compulsory distribution imposed by the states on every individual or business as an entity, which is enforceable by law based on statutory provision without any direct and proportional return, and is utilized to finance state expenditures for the maximum prosperity of the people. Tax not only serves as the primary source of state's revenue but also functions as an instrument of economic and social policy capable of regulation public behavior, stimulating economic growth, and ensuring equitable distribution of income. In the context of public administration, taxation is legally excessive, whereby every citizen who meet both subjective and objective requirement is obligated to fulfill their tax obligation, and failure to comply may result in administrative or criminal sanction. Type of taxes. Based on the audit of collection, taxes in Indonesia are classified into central tax and local tax. Central tax are levied by the central government through and Directorate General of Tax or the Directorate General of Customs and Excise, with revenue elected for general state expenditures, example including income tax, value-added tax, and import duty. Local tax are collected by regional government either at the provincial or municipal regional level, and are used to finance regional needs in implementing local autonomy, such as motorcycle tax, hotel tax, and entertainment tax. From the perspective of their nature, tax might be categorized into direct tax and indirect tax. Direct tax are borne entirely by the taxpayer and cannot be shifted to another party. Typically collected periodically based on predetermined assessments such as income tax and land and building tax. Indirect tax, on the other hand, can be shifted to other parties, usually through the pricing mechanism of goods or service such as value-added tax and luxury goods sales tax. In terms of classification, tax may also be divided into subjective tax and objective tax. Subjective tax take into account the personal circumstances of the taxpayer, such as material status, number of dependents, and income level, while objective tax are impossibility solved on certain taxable object regardless of the taxpayer's personal situation. For example, land or building tax, which is levied on the excess value of land and building. Element of taxation. Taxation consists of several essential elements that form the foundation of its collection system. The element of the taxpayer refer to the legal subject obligated to pay tax, which may be an individual or a business entity. The taxable objective representing anything upon which tax is levying according to statutory profits, which might include income, wealth, consumptions of goods and service, or specific activity. The tax rate element refers to the scale used to determine the amount of tax payable, which might take the form of a fixed rate of a party's tax rate, progressive or proportional depending on the type of tax. Furthermore, the tax collector element refers to the authority legally empowered to impose and collect tax, such as the Directorate General of Tax for central tax or local government for regional tax. The final element is the purpose of taxation, which is generally to finance state expenditures and to serve the regulatory function aimed at achieving the government social, economic, and environmental objective. And thank you for presentation and thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.